Hi, I just wanted to share a bit about the future program that we're going to have about the brain Qigong. As maybe you know, Qigong is the Taoist way to cultivate our inner energy for health, for vitality, for longevity. And usually the Qigong will benefit all the areas of your life, but some are specialized in a certain area. In this case, we're going to be working with the brain and the nervous system, and is a very good way to increase your capacity in many ways. This Qigong can be very useful for students that are needing a little more brain capacity, concentration, memory, etc. This can be beneficial for that case. Also, for people that are abusing of their system with excess of work, stress, or use of drugs, is good to have a way of purifying and keeping healthy your nervous system in that style of life. And mainly, as many ways in the traditional Chinese medicine, this Qigong is preventive, helping to make a better condition for your old age, so you can keep your abilities the best as possible, and in that sense, preventing major decay of the brain. We are going to have a mini workshop of 3 hours where I'm going to give some of the bases and a fundamental practice of this type of Qigong. We are going also to have additional classes later on, and I will touch other aspects of Qigong that are a little more detailed, deep than the fundament, and suggest some support ways like supplementation and things like that. Quite a large number of the people that have been sick with COVID had reported this kind of heavy dark cloud on their head, taking away some of their clarity and mental capacity, memory, concentration, like that. And it can last for some weeks after the infection disappears. And one of the possible helps for this is the brain Qigong, because brain Qigong goes directly to the energy and the resources of the brain and nervous system, so will help a lot to make a quicker rehabilitation of your capacity, and also as a prevention if you come to catch the sickness. So welcome to the class of brain Qigong if it's something that interests you. Thank you.